Hi everyone, in this lesson we will learn how to use HTML by using Notepad. Notepad is in all copies of Windows. You can find it in the search. Notepad. Open it and then save it as an HTML file. I'll save it here and type any name you want. Test, but you should type .html as an extension to it. As you can see, this is an HTML code. If you save it now and open it, you'll see the output is here, your output of your HTML code. If you type another thing there, like paragraph, open paragraph, and I am happy to have you, close paragraph, then you should save it. You must save it, not you should. And open your browser and refresh it. The output will gonna show there. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video, inshallah.